Today, what we're going to do is something a little bit different than what we do in most of our roundtables. Most of our roundtables, we do mentoring. Sometimes we bring in guests and interview guests. Though they could be investors, they could be entrepreneurs, they could be industry leaders. Today, we are going to show you something that we've been working with intensely, is our AI mentor for startup strategy. So let me put up the slide with the link to the AI mentor. If you want to go to delphi.ai Sramana Mitra, that is where the AI mentor for 1 million by 1 million sits. And Maureen will put the link in the Q&A as well, so you can access it from there. This Sramana Mitra's Digital Mind AI Mentor has been built on top of 717 recordings of mentoring sessions. So that AI has trained on my mentoring sessions. It has also trained on my writings, my books, my blogs, my interviews, speeches, etc., etc. So it is an enormously effective body of work that has come together, and that we have now done quite a bit of testing on live situations. So there are entrepreneurs who are using this product, and we are watching what's happening, what are they asking, what we are answering through the AI mentor. So it's working, and it's working rather well. So I want you to definitely make this a part of your toolkit for building your startup. And one thing that I want to point out, actually two things I want to point out. One is the language capabilities. We are hearing that the footprint of entrepreneurship around the world is expanding greatly. And English is not the only language in which entrepreneurs want to communicate on startup strategy. And there is a shortage of mentoring resources in non-English languages. Well, this AI mentor can work with you in 57 languages. So if you're in Brazil and you want to work in Portuguese, absolutely you can do that. If you're in Mexico or other parts of Latin America or in Spain, you can use the AI mentor in Spanish. If you're in India and you are interested in working with the AI mentor in one of the vernacular languages, whether it's Hindi or Tamil or Telugu or Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Assamese, Oriya, whatever, you can work with the AI mentor in any of the vernacular Indian languages. You can work with the AI mentor in Arabic. We're seeing a lot of interest in Arabic language mentoring. So if you're in Egypt or Saudi Arabia or any part of the Middle East or North Africa that is Arabic speaking, you can definitely work with the AI mentor in that language. So it's very effective in broadening the scope of 1 million by 1 million, our virtual mentoring capability. So you have these sessions where you can bring your product idea, your business strategy to me and work with me in these kinds of sessions, both in public roundtables, pre-public roundtables, as well as the premium program also works in this mode where you can access me from anywhere in the world, but I can only work with you in English. Personally, I can only work with you in English, but my digital mind can work with you in any language that you want to work with. Pretty much all languages that you might want to work with me in are covered by this AI mentor. So it's a big, big, big broadening of our scope and our capability. The other thing that I want to point you to is our Udemy course. It's a new Udemy course. It is free. where we have released batteries of prompts. So if you want to do startup strategy, how you work with the AI mentor is going to drive what results you're going to get. You have to learn how to work with the AI mentor, and you have to learn how to interact, what questions to ask, how to ask questions to the AI mentor. And this Udemy course, this free Udemy course, is designed to help you do exactly that. And you have those batteries of prompts available in English and in a number of other languages. As we speak, we are putting together batteries of prompts in many other languages. So watch this space, watch the free AI Mentor Udemy course, and you will find batteries of prompts in whatever language that you want to work in. In due course, you will find many languages covered there. For now, right away, you will find Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, and Arabic, but there you're going to find many other languages covered in that course. So, wherever you are in whatever part of the world, if English is not your comfort language, if you want to talk in your mother tongue, this is fine. We can take care of you. So that's my guidance on how to move forward with the AI mentor. And by the way, there is definitely something to the prompts, right? How much effectiveness you get out of any AI, whether it's ChatGPT or Gemini or Sramana Mitra's digital mind, how you work and what prompts you use is going to determine how effective you're going to be in extracting value out of these kinds of products. So as far as we are concerned, it is advisable that you use the prompt battery that we are offering you to guide your journey in your work with the AI mentor. So by all means, try it out, and in any of the roundtables, you can always come and ask me questions about that you want to be answered in person. So the combination of the digital mind AI mentor and these roundtables offer you a pretty complete accessibility. The digital mind is available 24/7 in 57 languages. So you can definitely gain access to me either through the digital mind or through these roundtables pretty much round the clock. So you have me in your pocket almost on a regular basis. Now, today we're not going to do an entrepreneur pitch session. Usually we have entrepreneur pitches here, and we do, we go over slides and strategy. So you are very welcome to sign up for one of those sessions in one of the upcoming events. But I will do Q&A. So I see people in the room. The roundtable is still a safe working session, and I'm happy to give you feedback. So line up your questions. I'm going to explain. I'm going to take 3 minutes and explain to you how to use the full 1Mby1M program now, and then we can do questions. Feel free to let us know in public chat, in Q&A, that you want to talk to me, and Maureen will make you a panelist, and you can ask me questions, you can explain what you're doing, and we can definitely go over, whatever issues that you want to deal with. So very quickly, if you want to use 1 million by 1 million, the full program, you can go to 1Mby1M.com and you will find everything, all resources there. We just talked about the AI mentor. The premium program is our full acceleration program. You will find that this strategy consulting over an online web conferencing system, investor introductions. We have a full actionable curriculum. You'll find that accessible, obviously 24/7. And that's the premium. The basic is curriculum only. Both premium and basic include the AI mentor. So the AI mentor is available through all of these programs as well. So go to the website, look up what to expect from Premium, Basic, and the upcoming free roundtables are March 12th, 19th, and 26th. You can sign up for any of them to pitch and come talk to me about your strategy. If you have questions about the program after, you can ask Irina Patterson. So anyone who has questions, I am happy to answer your questions now or listen to your elevator pitch and brainstorm about your strategy right now. So if any of you want to be put on the panel and would like to talk, happy to do that. Please let us know. Buddy? Yes? No? No one wants to talk. All right. Well, if no one wants to talk, then you can work with the AI mentor and get prepared. And in an upcoming session, you are welcome to talk to me with your pitch. But you can use the AI mentor meanwhile to get your pitch deck ready and get a lot of critique of your pitch deck. So the AI mentor allows you to upload your pitch deck and it will give you feedback on the pitch deck. So you can, even before you come and pitch here, you can pitch through the AI mentor and get feedback on your pitch deck there as well. All right. Looks like we do not have people needing to talk at the moment, so we will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming.